Bath Body Brush Back Scrubber. A Bath Body Brush Soft Bristles and LOOFAH Back Scrubber with a plastic handle is a versatile shower tool designed to enhance your bathing routine. This design allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas like the back and feet, making it suitable for both wet and dry brushing. Bath Brush Long Handle for shower. Can clean pore and exfoliate, remove dirt and dead skin in pore, excess oil and residue to make skin smoother. Elevate your shower experience with this 2-in-1 bath and body brush, featuring soft bristles on one side and a natural loofah on the other. Buy 1 pack of Bath Body Brush, only $3.99. Also buy 2 pack, only $7.49. Soft nylon bristles of the brush gently cleanse and exfoliate your skin. The extended handle provides a comfortable grip and reach, facilitating easy cleaning of the back and other difficult to access body parts. It is versatile for use with body wash in the shower or for dry brushing to improve skin health. These products is particularly beneficial for individuals with limited mobility, as the long handle aids in reaching areas that are typically challenging to clean. It's equipped with a hanging loop for convenient drying and storage. Natural loofah side helps remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving your skin feeling smooth and revitalized. The sturdy plastic handle provides a non-slip, comfortable grip that makes it easy to scrub and clean without putting strain on your back, shoulders, and legs. It helps stimulate blood flow, promoting healthier, glowing skin. Whether you're looking to pamper your skin, improve circulation, or enjoy a deeper clean, this bath and body brush with loofah and soft bristles is a must-have tool for a spa-like experience right in your own bathroom. Leave your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.